Hello, and greetings from Augustana University to all of you gathered together for the South Dakota Synod Assembly. I'm Stephanie Herseth Sandlin, and I serve as president of Augustana.
And my name is Rosendale. I serve as campus pastor at Augustana.
Just as I'm sure your congregations have been changed and challenged by the COVID-19 pandemic, so too has our campus. And just as your congregations have been creative and innovative in finding new ways to live out God's mission in the world, the Augustana community also has been courageous and resilient as we've reimagined how we live, learn, and serve together. As ELCA congregations in South Dakota, your partnership with us means a great deal. Augustana lives out the same Lutheran Christian values that you and your churches hold dear. Values like lifelong learning, freedom to wonder and discover, and the belief that each of us is called to serve the neighbor and care for God's world.
As young adults engage new ideas in a diverse community, they grow their awe of God and all that God has made. This education, rooted in Christian faith, offers something special to all who experience it. At Augustana, we seek to shape the whole person, body, mind, and spirit, and graduates are sent out to make a difference in their communities through leadership and service. We know that the faith of young adults matters to you, and it matters to us at Augustana too. I could share story after story of the ways I see students exploring their faith and discovering more about what they believe and why. For some, this looks like wrestling with big questions. For others, it looks like finding a community that will accept them for all that they are. I am proud of the ways I see our students striving to live out their convictions with thoughtfulness and integrity.
Many of our students come to Augustana from your congregations. It's heartening to hear about the ways they're supported and encouraged by their home communities. Thank you for keeping Augustana, its students, faculty, and staff in your prayers. Know that we're praying for all of you too, giving thanks for a church that grounds our mission and shares a common calling of nurturing people for God's service. As we continue to strategically position the university for the future in the fast-changing world of higher education and in the growing community of Sioux Falls, we've made energizing progress over the past 18 months on our new strategic plan, Viking Bold, the Journey to 2030. Achievements to date include the establishment of the Sharon Lust School of Education, the Augustana School of Music, the Center for Interdisciplinary Programs, with 2 new programs in Medical Humanities and Society and Environmental Studies, and the Midco Media Campus and Midco Production Center, which will support a new multimedia entrepreneurship major. We also launched the Diversity Advocate Certification Program and have already celebrated 118 graduates of that program. More students are enrolling for Augustana's new Master's of Business Administration degree, and we'll begin some exciting construction projects on campus this summer.
Know that you are always welcome to visit the Augustana campus. We love reconnecting with alumni anytime, and especially during Viking Days weekend in the fall. Pastors and church leaders, please consider inviting students or faculty members to an adult education class to share how they are integrating faith with their academic work. Parents and grandparents, keep talking with the young people in your lives about how God might be calling them, and ask them to consider a university that will nurture that sense of vocation. Thank you again for your faithful support of Augustana and for the many ways that you lift up values of learning and service in your congregations for youth, young adults, and people of all ages. May God bless the ministry of the South Dakota Synod, and together may we live into our calling as Christ Church, making God's kingdom ever more real among us.